Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the Goto statement available in the C program. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. I will go to the topic, the Goto statement. It is one of the unconditional statement. There are so many conditional statements and branching available. Conditional and branching. By taking conditional we can go for branching. If statement, if else, switching statement, conditional operator. These are all based on the condition the branching will happen. But this C supports the Goto statement to branch unconditionally. Without any condition we can go for a branching from one point to another point in the program. So that there are two types available. The Goto available at the top of the program. Goto label mean it will go to this. This is the label. So it will go to this point. So the statement available here is not executed. Statement available in the label are executed. This statement is executed. So we are skipping these statements. Suppose the Goto label is available at the bottom. Goto label means it will go to the label where it is available. It is available here. So it will go to this label and these statements are executed. So after this, after executing statement, again it will go. So these are repeatedly executed. Here it is skipped the statements are not executed. Skipped here repeatedly executed. Now we'll see in detail what is the two type of this Goto statement. Now we'll see the flow diagram for both the cases. Flow diagram of Goto statement. First to see this category 1. This is the codings available. Normal statements are available. That is executed. When Goto label is available, then it will go to the where the label 1 is available, that the control is transferred. Here Goto label, the meaning is now the control should be goes to the label, the where the label is available, it will go. So this statement is skipped, not executed. We already told it's not executed. So when Goto label is there, it will go the label where it is available. Now the statement 3 and 4 is executed. So we are skipping the statement 1 and 2. Thereafter normal coding is available again. It will start executing this normal coding, right? So the initially coding available, here also available. In between we have Goto label. So it will go to this place without executing 1 and 2. Suppose the Goto is available at the bottom. Here the coding is available. Normally it is executed. Here also coding available. That is normally executed. Right? Label 1. So this is the label 1 statement available. So it will not execute. But go to label 1. Then mean it will go to this where the label is available. Here the control transfer from top to bottom. Here from bottom to top. So statement 1 and 2 will be executed. Again it will go to label 1. Again go to label 1 mean again it will come here. So repeatedly it will executed until certain condition it will executed repeatedly. Thereafter after any condition we need to check, otherwise it will repeatedly executed. Then statement 3 and 4 will be normally executed and it will go to the normal coding of the remaining program. Right? So here statement 1 and 2 is skipped. Here statement 1 and 2 are repeatedly executed. So that is the difference between these two category of the Goto statement. Now we'll see the one example program. Program to print the multiplication table. So here we need to repeatedly do 1 into 4, 2 into 4, 3 into 4 like that, so that this program we can see for a Goto statement. So first we need to include the header files. Standard io.h, conio io.h, standard input output, console input and output. These two header files are included. Void main program is started. Then open the brace. That declare the variables. We need two variables. N is a number. For which number we need the multiplication table. Multiplication table of 5 or 6 or 10, that is n. We need to generate the numbers 1 into 5, 2 into 5, 3 into 5. For that we have the variable I, that is initially 1. Multiplication table we cannot start with 0, so it start with 1 into 5 like that, right? So header files are included for standard input output, printf and scanf. Console input output, that is used for clear screen and get ch, right? So here the variables are declared. This is the number for which the multiplication table is required. To generate the number in sequence, where is 1, 2, 3, we have one more variable I. It is initialized as 1. Now we can clear the screen. The previous things are cleared. Now we ask the user to enter the number whose table you want to print, right? For which number you want a table, we ask the user to enter. So the scanf, printf %d and n, ampersand n, that is the address of n. So after seeing this, the user will enter the number. That number is stored in n. Now we can have the label. Table is the label, right? We have one label called, the name is table, right? So under this table, what is available? Printf %d into %d equal to %d ampersand and n slash n goes to next line. What is available here? n into I. For example, let us take n equal to 5, right? So already I equal to 1, right? So what it will print? N is nothing but 5. Then the multiplication symbol is available. Then this, for this d, I is printed. I is 1. Then equal symbol is there. Here n into I. So 5 into 1, 5, right? So n multiplication I equal to n into I, right? After that, what is happen? I plus plus. Now I value become 2. The I value is increased to 2. Then we are checking one condition. If I less than or equal to 10, yes, I is less than 10 only. Then what we are doing? Go to label, right? We ask to go to label. Label mean again the same process repeat, right? n into I. N is 5. I is nothing but now 2. So n into I. 5 into 2, 10, right? Again it is incremented. Now I is incremented to 3. Again it will check the condition. If I less than or equal to 10. Yes, I is less than 10 only. Repeat, go to table. Go to the label table. So same process, these two statements again executed. So n is 5 only. I now become 3. So n into I, 5 into I, 15. So this process will be executed again and again. So it will up to 10. Up to 10 the process will repeated. 5 into 10, 50, right? This process repeated. When it is 11, then I is become 11. This condition is false. I is less than or equal to 10. It should be less than or equal to 10. If it is 11 means this condition is false. So it will skip this process statement. This is the if statement for the, this is the true statement. So this condition is not satisfied. It go to get ch and close the program, right? So we got this multiplication table. 5 into 1, 5 into 2, 5 into 3 up to 5 into 10, right? So we got this value. Now we'll see the output. What is the output available? So here the output is available. So we ask the user to enter the number whose table you want to print. Is entered by 4. What we discussed in the program, 5 we discussed. 5 into 1, 5 into 2. Now it is 4. So 4 into 4, 4 into 1, 4. So this is the n value. This is I value. I values keep on increases. 1, 2, 3. I is initially 1. Then I plus plus mean 2, 3, 4. So both are multiplied. So up to 4 into 10, 40 we got. If it is 11, if the I value is 11 means the condition is false. I is less than or equal to 10. It should be less than or equal to 10. It should not greater than 10. At the time the condition not satisfied, so it stop the process. So we got the multiplication table from up to 4 into 1 to 4 into 10, right? So in this program we discussed the Goto statement, one of the unconditional statement available in C program. We discussed two category, label available at the top or at the bottom. What will happen in the statement? Also we discussed the one example program to print the multiplication of the given number. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.